Thank you for purchasing an Eyesafe blue light screen filter. In this short video, we'll walk you through each step in the installation process. It should take between 2 and 5 minutes. Before we start, here are a few pointers that will make this a successful experience. Work in a well-lit and dust-free area. Be sure to carefully inspect the display for dust particles or debris prior to applying the filter. If you're installing the filter onto a plastic laptop or monitor display, the process may require some additional squeegeeing. Let's begin. Now that you are in a clean, well-lit environment, go ahead and review the content of the package. You should have the following: a printed install guide, a screen filter with alignment tabs, screen cleaning wipes, a microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, and a squeegee. With the display of your device turned off, remove the wet wipe from its sachet and thoroughly clean the display of your device. Then, clean and dry your display with a provided microfiber cloth. Finally, carefully inspect the display for any lint or dust particles and remove them with the provided dust stickers. Cleaning your display thoroughly is critical to removing any oil, fingerprint, or dirt that may interfere with the look of your final product. So take your time. Now that the display surface is prepped and ready for the Eyesafe screen filter, go ahead and lift the filter using tabs A and C. Now carefully remove the adhesive liner by pulling tab B. Gently, but without making contact, hold the filter up to the display while aligning the corners and top of the filter. Once aligned, carefully adhere the filter along the top edge and allow the filter to adhere to the screen. Now, using the included squeegee and lightly, almost without applying any force, gently stroke along the surface of the filter, working from the top down. Don't worry if you see any bubbles in the display at this point. We'll get to those in our next step. Now it's time to remove air bubbles. With a squeegee in hand, firmly press out any pocket of air by moving them away from the center to the nearest edge. Be careful not to use the corner of the squeegee or press too hard, as it may leave an indentation in the material. Once all the major air bubbles have been removed, pull tab C to carefully peel away the top protective layer while making sure that you're not also peeling the Eyesafe screen filter. With the top protective layer removed, you may see some additional small air bubbles. Using your thumb, press down on each bubble and use an eraser motion to remove. If there are any larger bubbles, go ahead and pick up your squeegee again and use the same technique from step 3 to remove. Once all the bubbles have been erased or removed, it's a good idea to use the provided microfiber cloth once more to remove any fingerprints or dust from the surface. Congratulations! Your device is now Eyesafe certified low blue light. If there are any issues with your product or with the installation process, check out our website for additional tips or contact our customer service team at eyesafe.com.